everyone from Python data science class, and I'm going to introduce the related research of celebA databases. And the paper is called Deepfakes and Beyond, a survey of face manipulation and fake detection. Since celebA is a database with huge amounts of real face images, it has been used in many research that helps detect fake image. In this review paper, it mentioned about 3 kinds of methods that use celebA dataset to train their models. And why is fake detection so important in nowadays? Because the free access to large-scale public databases and fast progress of deep learning techniques have led to the generation of very realistic fake content, and it leads to generation of fake news that cause confusion. The term deepfake came from a Reddit user named Deepfakes. He developed a machine learning algorithm that can transpose celebrity faces into porn videos, and the videos are so real that internet users can't tell they are generated by a machine learning algorithm or not. And it has caused damage to the reputation of those celebrities. So it's important to develop techniques that detect such manipulation, and also the technique of the deepfake methods have significant growth. So in this paper, there are review of techniques for manipulating face images that include deepfake methods, and also the methods that can detect such manipulations from the algorithm. So in this paper, they conclude there are 4 types of facial manipulations. The first one is interface synthesis and attribute manipulation, identity swap, and expression swap. And here are the examples of interface synthesis. The interface synthesis can synthesize a new face with real image. That you give the machine a real image, then it can turn out a fake image that is related to the original image. And the second one is the attribute manipulation. The manipulation can change some attributes on original picture. For example, they can make bald people to have hair, or add glasses on people's face, or change the nose size of the people, or just make she looks older, or add bands on people's face. Yes, and the third one is identity swap. You can use this kind of algorithm. You just give the trained machine 2 real images from 2 different identities, and the trained function will generate a new identity that makes 2 original identities together, and you will get a new face. Yes, so and the last one is expression swap. The expression swap can change facial expression in original images. It generates a new image that makes 2 original pictures together with some specified attribute, and changes the facial expression of the people in original picture. Like you can see in this original picture, the person was happy, and you just gave the machine a face that looks mad, and the machine can just generate a face that is mad in the first identity picture. And there are some examples that in this review paper mentioned that have using celebA dataset. The first one is the manipulation detection. They use real faces from celebA HQ and FFHQ databases and synthesis faces created through interface scan and style scan. And these two algorithms is the research in that paper. And also the identity swap research also use celebA database. The difference between databases only contain fake images generated by GAN, and real face images in celebA helps train models. So the related research introduction is to here, and I'm going to introduce this distribution of features and labels in this database. And in celebA, there are a total of 40 attributes that are labeled in each image. For example, they labeled whether the person, the celebrity in the image, have 5 o'clock shadow or not, or arched eyebrows, bags under eyes, bands, big lips, big nose, and dark hair, and more attributes. And there are 40 attributes. You can use some simple library. You can import library like matplotlib to help plot the attribute distribution in this database. For example, this code that 1 represents positive and -1 represents negative. And you can easily see that the celebrity in this database have most of the celebrity doesn't have a 5 o'clock shadow, and you can see their every picture in this database are valid to see whether he or she have a 5 o'clock shadow or not. So as you can say, this is a very precision data, and you can also see the mean and standard deviation from this conclusion. Also, there are arched eyebrows. So the arched eyebrows have more celebrities have in arched eyebrows. And also bags under eyes, bands, and big lips, big nose. You can easily see the difference between every single data and image. Also, you can use some you can also use some simple library like matplotlib that can plot coloration metrics to see the relationship between each attribute. In this plot, that the deeper the color is, meaning that two attributes have less relationship, meaning that the two attributes does not have a high probability appears on a celebrity. So, and also the picture on the right side, it means where does the x and y coordinate of the eyes and nose of the celebrity appears in the image are, and the width and the height of the image is also seen in this picture. So the part of mine is have come to an end, and thank you for your listening.